artists have sued Stability AI, MidJourney and DeviantArt, accusing them of creating online platforms based on artificial intelligence trained on a database of nearly 5 billion images pulled from the internet, without the consent of the designers and artists who own the intellectual property rights of those images. According to the lawsuit, 3 artists, Sarah Anderson, Kelly McKiernan, and Carla Otez, accused the 3 companies of violating the property rights of images and designs belonging to artists and designers, and using them to train their systems based on artificial intelligence without paying the original rights holders or obtaining their approval. Lawsuit against Microsoft. Attorney Matthew Buttock, along with Joseph Saberny Legal Services, submitted that lawsuit to the U.S. judiciary, and at the same time filed a lawsuit against Microsoft and its software platform, GitHub, accusing them of using software codes collected from the internet without the consent of its original developers, in order to train the Copilot intelligent programming assistance system. According to an official blog post, Buttrick confirmed that the new lawsuit is another step towards achieving justice in the use of artificial intelligence, and preserving the ethics of integrity when dealing with all designers and content creators. Buttrick stated that smart software tools such as the Stable Diffusion platform flood the art and design community with an endless amount of designs by different designers, without their consent, which causes permanent damage to the art market, mainly based on infringement of intellectual property rights. Auxiliary for artists. Generative AI art models went viral last year, and created a wave of different reactions, as some saw it as an auxiliary element to enrich the imagination of artists and designers, as well as a source of smart design aids, such as what Adobe offers through its Photoshop and AI Illustrator programs. On the other hand, another trend rejects the idea of training these software smart models on the artwork of artists and designers, without their knowledge or consent, given the ability of these models to generate profits for their users, without the artists who own the artwork on which these models were trained receiving any financial compensation.